Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Wealthfront app Crypto Holdings View, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Wealthfront app and remove the Crypto Holdings View, begin by locating the Wealthfront app on your device. Tap and hold the Wealthfront app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says uninstall or remove app, depending on your device. If you're using an iOS device, tap delete app to confirm the removal. For Android users, you may need to confirm the uninstall by selecting OK in the pop-up prompt. Once the app is uninstalled, navigate to the settings on your device. Scroll down and find apps or applications in your settings menu. Tap on it and search for Wealthfront in the list of installed applications. If Wealthfront appears, select it and then confirm it's uninstalled. Next, you may want to clear any residual data associated with the app for complete removal. Return to the main settings menu and find storage. Select cached data or other apps to review any leftover files from Wealthfront. Following this, tap on Clear Cache if this option is available. If you had set up any accounts or saved preferences, log into the Wealthfront website on a browser to ensure everything is removed. Review your Crypto Holdings View to confirm their removal from any dashboard or account settings. Finally, restart your device to ensure all changes take effect. This will help to reset your device's app management system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.